Life is full of adventures. Sometimes you just need to get out there. Just anywhere, away from the stress. You need to explore, to breathe, to live. The conditions you will face on your adventures are unknown, but you know where you're going. To freedom. You're used to changing your shoes and jacket to match the location or the weather. Why shouldn't you be able to do the same with your bike? The answer is, you can. reTyre is the only tire that allows you to change the tire surface to match any condition you face. Whether it's snow or ice, the bike trail, downhill, off-road, or pure asphalt, with reTyre, you're always ready for what comes next. reTyre is essentially a tire with zippers and different skins that can be mounted on that tire. The tire and the skins have been designed to match perfectly, and the tight fit ensures that the skins act and feel like a normal tire. This way, you always have the grip you need when you need it. Just like a jacket, you put the zippers together and pull the slider around the tire to tighten the skin. It can be annoying to change a regular tire. With reTyre, you're all set in less than a minute. The skins are easy to fold and fit perfectly into a backpack. The tire is lightweight and designed to minimize rolling resistance in order to optimize your riding experience on asphalt and concrete. reTyre has been tested around the world and performs anytime, every time. From snowy Norwegian roads to downhill trails in the Swiss Alps, or even rolling mile after mile on an American highway. reTyre is the perfect way to make your bike a multi-purpose, year-round vehicle. Whether you have a hybrid, terrain, mountain, electric, or any other bike, choose reTyre and enjoy your freedom. Because easier is better.